Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Google Chrome extension which allows you to find out your IP address, location and ISP address information, everything. So the name of the extension is My IP Address. It's installed by 30,000 users. So directly if you search for this, the icon is this, the search bar. You need to select this extension. Various extensions will come, but this extension I have tried this, is definitely working. Is DNS related, so you need to paste the name. Yeah, so this is the extension, and I've already installed it. So once you actually go to any website, my IP address, yes. Once you click on this, you will see that it shows my IP address information, ISP name, IP address, IP location, everything it shows you. This is your IP address, who is information also it shows you everything. So with a single extension you get all this information. You can even search for a domain name, IP address, everything you can search. So you can see that. So this is the extension guys, definitely check this out. It's 30,000 installs.